Setting up a powerful CRM like Bitrix24 can feel a bit like being handed the keys to a Ferrari when all you know is how to ride a bike. If you don't set it up properly, you're bound to stall. Most people use their CRM as if it's just a digital filing cabinet, but they're missing out on automation and AI that could genuinely help grow their business. Today, I'm going to share the 3 biggest mistakes I see people make when switching to this all-in-one operating system so you can avoid the hassle and start closing deals from day one. Let's get stuck in. Mistake number 1 is treating your CRM like it's just a static spreadsheet. The biggest mistake is not using Bitrix24 as a unified workspace where communication, tasks, and sales are all linked together in one operating system. You've got loads of tools at your fingertips, and your CRM should really serve as the single source of truth for all customer data, helping you avoid fragmented silos caused by jumping between different platforms. People often forget to connect all their communication channels, like email and phone, directly into the platform. This unified view that Bitrix24 provides lets you see the entire history of a client all in one place. So if we head over to the contact center here and click on more, we can check out telephony in the marketplace. Here in the Bitrix24 marketplace, we can connect things like WhatsApp and email and easily link them to our CRM. All you need to do is click Install, grant it permission to access your business messages, and after one final installation step, you're good to go. And here, as we can see from the pop-ups, it's thanking us for installing it. And now we've got access to WhatsApp via API directly within our CRM platform. Next, let's connect Gmail. This is really easy to do. All you need to do is connect and then sign in with your Gmail account. We're going to switch CRM integration on, and here we have a few options to choose from, depending on what we need. So we can import emails from specific weeks. Here, we've selected 1 week. We can set up lead categories for incoming messages and new email addresses, and we can also create contacts for outgoing messages to new email addresses. And all of this will be accessible within Bitrix24. All you need to do is press connect. Now, if we go to our dashboard, this is where we can see our emails, we can see the WhatsApp section that we've just added, and everything is very easy to access. This is something that a lot of other platforms don't offer. We have a CRM interface where multiple channels are connected to a single lead record. Now, if we go to the leads section, this is where we can see the leads that have been added through these integrations. So we have a website redesign inquiry, we have the quote, we have comments, messages, tasks, and we can even invite new people to join the chat. And here we can leave a comment saying something like, the client is interested in redesigning their company website and wants pricing, timelines, and maintenance information after professional follow-up response. Mistake number 2 is ignoring the AI Copilot when it comes to lead management. Many new users still carry out manual data entry instead of letting the AI Copilot summarize calls and draft follow-up emails. So here in the comments section of our lead management, what we can do is type in, client is interested in redesigning their company website and wants pricing, timeline, and maintenance information. Draft a professional follow-up response. And then all we have to do from this point is tag the Copilot and it will handle everything for us. We do this by typing in the @ symbol, and then we can see the Copilot automatically appears. So we can say, summarize the client interaction and highlight the next recommended sales action. Now, ignoring these AI agents means wasting roughly 30% of management time on tasks that could be automated. Failing to use AI-powered lead scoring means your sales team might actually be chasing dead ends instead of high-probability deals. Here, it's drafted an entire email for us. All we have to do is change the client name here, and we've got a fully professional email ready to send. And of course, yes, we'll add our name, our company, and our signature at the bottom as well. Now, the reason why this works is because Bitrix24 actually focuses on predictive analytics within CRM and can forecast pipeline success automatically, therefore drafting up the right replies. Now, if we want to change anything about this email, we can do so very easily. Now, of course, we want to get rid of the top, which is our prompt, and then we're left with the subject and the email below. And finally, let's just add our name here. Once we're happy, we press send, and we can see here that the comment is ready to go. Now that's scheduled in to contact the customer. Now, the third mistake I see people making is skipping the professional profile setup. Leaving the user profile incomplete reduces team transparency and looks unprofessional in client-facing interactions. A fully filled out profile with a photo, role, and department is essential for building trust in a remote team environment. And neglecting the profile setup can also disrupt automated task routing if the department or role information is missing from the system logic. This just helps keep the internal infrastructure of your company or team running very efficiently, so people can tag you and know exactly who you are on the platform. A polished profile is the first step towards a credible high-performance workspace. As you can see here as I'm talking, we're going ahead and updating our profile. It's very, very similar to something like Facebook. And yes, we're going to upload our photo. We're going to enter our name and department. And once we're happy, we simply press save. We can also update personal details, bios, and other things that can connect us across the company. We can also add hobbies in an About Me section too. So don't let these setup mistakes slow you down. Get your business running like clockwork from the very start. Click the link in the description to activate your 15-day free trial of Bitrix 24 and start building your unified workspace today. That's all from me. I'll see you in the next video.